Today's self-care tip number 3 is Sweet Dreams Nightly Ritual or Bedtime Ritual. So this is one of my favorite things to do to help feel more nurtured, more loved. I can totally make myself feel that way. So this is one of the rituals that I wanted to share with you that I really love. So first things first, you're going to do this ritual about 20 minutes before bedtime. So you're going to set your timer on your phone so that about 20 minutes before you're going to come in and you're going to make this beautiful environment for yourself. So obviously the first thing I always like to do is have a nice glass of water with a little lemon in it. So that's by my bed. And then I have a box that holds all of my pretty little accoutrements. And I like whimsy, so this one is cutesy and it's got unicorns on it. I like that, makes me happy. But inside of it, I've got a candle. So I can light a candle if I'd like, and this depends on the time of year, so safety comes into play. I have the book and the oracle deck that I'm currently working with, so I put that on my bed in case I'm going to read a little bit before I go to bed. I also use fragrance to reset my system, and we're going to go into that a little bit more in tip number 9, where it's smell is your superpower. I have a beautiful little essential oil that I rub on myself to sort of help me drop in. And then again, more fragrance, I've got these sheet sprays. And rose is my favorite, so I use these for the sheet sprays. And then lastly, I use sound to sort of clear the room. So I have this pretty little bell, and I'm going to use sound to clear the room. You know this probably from singing bowls and things. This is kind of the same concept. I have this pretty little bowl. So I'll come in and I'll just, again, clear the room with sound. And then lastly, I fold down the bed and prep it, right? And then I take my room spray or my sheet spray and I spray. I got a nice vigorous spray on my bed. So that's it. That's how you create this beautiful environment, especially if you have trouble sleeping. This is such a great way to feel nurtured and cherished. And I do this every night. So again, set your timer, come in, set everything up. And then when you come in, when you're ready for bed, you go about your business, come back. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to feel good. You're going to notice. So tomorrow's tip is about family agreements. Thanks for being here today. One more quick thing before you go. I just wanted to make sure that you know I've created a special page where I've organized all these beautiful self-care tips I'm going to be sharing with you over the next 24 days. It's meant to organize them and save you even more precious time, because your time, dear mama, is your most valuable asset and it's a non-renewable resource. This option is called Full Calendar Access, and for moms who join Full Calendar Access on December 25th, they're going to get some special extra bonus gifts. So if you want to know more, check out the link below and take care. See you tomorrow.